Hi, I'm Victoria with TruckVault. I'm just going to give you a quick run through on our new DC8. We have the monitor mount, which holds up to a 40-inch monitor. It collapses down and goes inside of the vault. It also has the dry erase magnetic mat boards, which fold up, or you can write on it on the surface while it's down. Some of the key features on our all-new TacLock, which is exclusive to TruckVault, are the larger buttons for easier access, especially if you're out in the field wearing gloves. If you need even quicker access, we do have the key override, which is right here. This is an all-mechanical lock, which means you don't have to worry about changing out batteries or power shortages. We have the steel plate here, which we call our strike guard. It slides into another steel plate that is inside the drawer. This reduces noise when driving down the road, as well as adding additional security. We have over 1,500 lock combinations that you can choose from.
Hey, I'm Buck with TruckVault, and I just kind of want to go over a new line that we're coming out with specifically for the side-by-side community and what we've done to our Polaris Ranger here. So this is a 2025 Polaris Ranger XP1000 Texas edition. We have the new all-weather locks, did an all-weather edition, and then on the sides, we gridded out essentially holes all the way down the sides that were 1/4-20 blind holes, still waterproof, still the all-weather edition, but those 1/4-20 holes allow you to bolt accessories to the side just like that. We close the all-weather locks. The tailgate can close and open easily. Prinsu donated a rack for us, so they threw a rack on top of it. You can see we've got the Warrior products. Below that, the Rotopax mounts for the accessories or the fuel. The SKB cases work really, really well on top of these. They stay fully waterproofed and weatherproof, and then they're incredibly durable. We were able to do a 50-inch light bar up top, a 10-inch light bar down here, and then in the center, we outfitted it with some infrared lighting so we can drop the nods, black it out, and then cruise the mountains fully blacked out, whether you're predator hunting or sneaking up on bad guys. We have the capability to really have a good time with this. The whole point of this and the whole reason for building this out was specifically to start, one, producing a TruckVault for the side-by-side community, because that's just not really out there. There's so many professional end users, and there's such a great piece of equipment, but there's not good waterproof, fireproof, and truly secure storage solutions for sensitive items, medical equipment, things of that nature. If you guys have ideas, we'd love to hear them, because we'd love to accessorize this in any way that fits your needs. I'm Buck with TruckVault. Thanks for tuning in.